Hello my dear students, today we are going to discuss Pythagoras theorem and its applications from chapter number 12. Let's see. The statement of Pythagoras is in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of other two sides. Let's see. First of all, ABC is a right angle triangle and C is a right angle, and side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse and other two sides are called height and base. Now, according to a statement of Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. Now hypotenuse is denoted by C, so C square is equal to height is denoted by A, so A square plus base is denoted by B, so B square. Hence C square is equal to A square plus B square. Now I'll explain Pythagoras theorem from algebraic identity A plus B whole square. So we know that A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus twice of AB plus B square. Now look at the figure. Area of a small square plus area of these triangles is equal to area of a big square. So area of a small square plus 4 times of area of a triangle is equal to area of a big square. Now from the figure, area of a small square whose side is C, so we have to write here C square plus 4 times of area of a triangle whose base is B and height is A. So 1 by 2 into A into B is equal to area of a big square whose side is A plus B. So A plus B whole square. Now C square plus cancelled out. So twice of AB is equal to A plus B whole square. We know that A square plus twice of AB plus B square. So A square plus twice of AB plus B square. Now twice of AB cancelled out. So we have C square is equal to A square plus B square. Hence, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides. Now, converse of Pythagoras theorem. The statement is, in a triangle, square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. Let's see. From the figure, in triangle ABC, the statement is the square of one side. The square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So A square plus B square. Then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. Then triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at angle C. Now, simple applications of Pythagoras theorem. Let's see. Question number 4 from exercise 12. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between their feet is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. So first of all, AB and CD are two poles. Their height is 6 meter and 11 meter. So AB is equal to 6 meter and CD is equal to 11 meter is given. If the distance between their feet is 12 meter, so the length of BC is equal to 12 meter. Now we will join AE. So the length of AE is equal to length of BC. Now we have to find DE. So DE is equal to CD minus CE. So CD is minus CE. See, the length of CE is equal to the length of AB. So the length of CD is given 11 meter minus the length of AB is given 6 meter. So DE is equal to 5 meter. Now we have a right angle triangle AED. So in triangle AED, angle AED is equal to 90 degree. So we can apply the Pythagoras. So hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. So AD square is equal to DE square plus AE square by Pythagoras. Theorem. Now AD square is equal to DE. Their length is 5 meters, so 5 square plus AE square. So AE is equal to 12 meter. So 12 square. So 25 plus 144. After simplification, we have AD square is equal to 169. So AD square, AD is equal to root over 169. So AD is equal to 13 meter. Now AD, the distance between their tops. Hence the distance between their tops is 13 meter. That is answer. Let's see one more question. Question number 8. The hypotenuse of a right triangle is 6 meter more than twice the shortest side. If the third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse, find the sides of the triangle. From the figure, we assume BC as the shortest side, x meter. Now hypotenuse is 6 meter more than the twice the shortest side. So AC as a hypotenuse. So 2x plus 6 unit, 6 meter. Now the third side is 2 meter less than the hypotenuse. So third side is AB. 2x plus 6 minus 2. So we have 2x plus 4 meter. Now in right angle triangle, in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Now AC is given 2x plus 6. So 2x plus 6 whole square is equal to AB is given 2x plus 4. So 2x plus 4 whole square plus BC is given x square. Now 2x plus 6 whole square, it is in term of a plus b whole square. So expand. So 4x square plus 24x plus 36 is equal to 4x square, 2x plus 4 whole square, it is in term of a plus b whole square. So expand 4x square plus 16x plus 16 plus x square. Now 4x square cancelled out. So we have x square plus 16x minus 24x plus 16 plus 36. Go that side, it's become minus 36 is equal to 0. Now x square minus 16x minus 24x, it's become minus 8x minus 16 minus 36, it's become minus 20. X square minus 8x minus 20 is equal to 0. It is in term of quadratic equation. Now we have solved by middle term factorization. So x square minus 8x, we can write here 10x plus 2x minus 20 is equal to 0. Now make a pair. X will be common from the first group. So x will be common. So x minus 10 plus 2 will be common. So x minus 10. Now x minus 10 will be common. So x plus 2. Now x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 10. The second, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 2. Now negative value, ignoring the negative value. Now x is equal to 10. Now we take x is equal to 10. So the side BC is equal to x is equal to 10 meter. Now hypotenuse AC is equal to 2x plus 6. So 2 into 10 plus 6 is equal to 26 meter. Now the third side AB is equal to 2x plus 4. So 2 into 10 plus 4 is equal to 24 meter. So three sides are given, 10 meter, 26 meter and 24 meter. That is answer. Let's see one more question. Question number 15C. From the figure, angle D is equal to 90 degree. AB is equal to 16 centimeter. BC is equal to 12 centimeter. And CA is equal to 6 centimeter. Find the length of CD. So we assume the length of CD be x centimeter. See, now BD is equal to BC plus CD is equal to, BD is equal to 12 plus x centimeter. Now in triangle ADC, angle D is a right angle. So we can apply the Pythagoras So in triangle ADC, angle D is equal to 90 degree, then we can apply the Pythagoras. So AC square is equal to AD square plus CD square by Pythagoras theorem. Now AD square is equal to AC square minus CD square. Now AD square is equal to AC. AC is given 6 centimeter. So 6 square minus CD. CD is given X. So X square. So 6 square it's become 36 minus X square. So AD square is equal to 36 minus X square. We assume equation number first. Now in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem. Now AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. We can write. Now AD square is equal to AB square. So AB is given 16 centimeter. So 16 square minus BD. BD is 12 plus X centimeter. So 12 plus X whole square. Now simplify. 16 squared become 256 minus 12 plus X in term of 12 plus X whole square, it is in term of A plus B whole square. So 144 plus 24X plus X square. Now AD square is equal to 256 minus 144 minus 24X minus X square. Remove the small bracket, sign will be changed. Now AD square is equal to 112 minus 24X minus X square. We assume equation number second. Now AD square is equal to 36 minus X square. It is given in equation first, and here AD square is equal to 112 minus 24X minus X square. It is given in equation 2. Now from equation first and second, 36 minus X square is equal to 112 minus 24X minus X square. Now X square cancelled out. So 36 minus 112 is equal to minus 24X. Now minus 76 is equal to minus 24X. Minus sign will be cancelled out. So X is equal to 76 by 24. Now after simplification we have X is equal to 3 whole 1 by 6 centimeter. That is answer. This is the value of CD. So we can say that CD is equal to 3 whole 1 by 6 centimeter. Thank you.